A question we may get asked frequently is how to download Unity. Now let me take you through the process. It's nice and quick and easy. Let's do it. So the first thing you want to do is navigate the link in the description. It will be the top link, and this will send you to a page where you can download Unity. Now what you can do is you can download Unity straight away, or you can download the Unity Hub, which is what we're going to do. The Unity Hub is basically a central point where you can manage your Unity installations, your games, apps, projects, and everything. So let's go ahead, let's click Download Unity Hub here. Then you'll see this pop up down here saying Unity Hub setup.exe. Once that is downloaded, you want to open that up, and you'll be met with the terms of service. Now once you're happy with all the terms of service, you can click I agree. Then it will ask you to save to a folder. Here you can choose a folder where you want to save it. I'm just going to save it in the program files for now. Click install. Okay, once that's installed, you should have something downloaded onto your device called Unity Hub. Now once you've downloaded Unity Hub, it may by default ask you to install Unity. I already have Unity Hub installed, so those steps don't appear for me. However, if that does pop up, I will show you what to do now. Okay, so yeah, you'll see something that looks like this. Sorry, I just had to update my Unity Hub. You'll see something that looks like this. What you need to do is navigate to the Installs tab on the left-hand drop-down. Then you can click Install Editor up here. You can choose official releases, which are like full versions of Unity, pre-releases, which tend to be in beta and some can be in alpha, as seen here, or the archive, which is basically where you visit a website and you can download versions of Unity that are like, long gone. Now I'm going to click on official releases, and I'm going to download the latest version. Now the reason I click official releases is because it's more stable. Pre-releases are a bit unstable and tend to have more problems with them. However, they can have new features, which is nice, but they tend to have problems with them. So that is why I'm going to stick with official releases. Now as you can see, we've got long-term support and other versions. Now what this means, long-term support means that they are newer and tend to be monitored more for bugs and glitches, whereas other versions tend to be out of date. So what I'm going to do is download the latest version up here in the long-term support, which is 2021.3.6 F1. I'm going to install that, and then you will get some things here. Now this does look like a lot, just don't worry about it. Let's just take it a bit at a time. You will have documentation down here. You can choose to download that. I tend to, just because it's nice to have it, but you don't have to. Now up here you'll have your dev tools, which is pretty much what you're programming with. Microsoft Visual Studio for me. Now I already have it installed, so I don't have a check to install it again. But if it's your first time ever programming, it may ask you to download Visual Studio or some other IDE to program with. Now what you can do under platforms, this is where you can choose things like Android build support, iOS build support, tvOS build support, Linux build support, everything like that. So when you want to build your game, but basically when your game is done, where do you want to publish it to? Sorry everyone, this was a bit misleading. I didn't mean where do you want to publish to, I actually meant out of all the possible choices, like this is what you select for where you could possibly publish to. So if you select Android build support, you don't actually have to publish your game to Android, it's just there so you can. This is where you choose. So I want to choose Android, I'm going to click Android. Now see under here I've got OpenJDK, Android SDK and NDK tools. If you're doing Android build support, I highly recommend you select these as well, as these are what will let you finally build your game to an executable application. And then you can also select iOS build support, any supports that you know you're going to be doing. For me, I'm not going to have anything selected other than Android. Now when you're selecting things, just be wary, because it will tell you what your required space is up here and how much space you have available. You want to be careful of that, because if I go over, as you can see, I can't install. Okay, once you've selected everything you want, just click install, and it'll start downloading that version of Unity for you. So with that in mind, that is how you download Unity Hub and Unity or any version of Unity that you want to open your projects with. And that's also how you can download extra build options, SDKs, JDKs, NDKs, things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please leave a like and a comment to just boost the video to get it out to more people. And I hope you enjoyed, everyone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.